Hello guys, good morning and welcome back. Alright, so this is an important update for all skilled workers and especially fashion designers, right? Now, there is an update for most of us who might be looking for a certification to use in our visa applications. Now, I have given a lot of certificates to people whom land under me, but they end up trying to need more of evidence to show that they learned a skill. Now, whether you learned from a fashion school, whether you learned from a roadside tailor, whether you are self-taught from YouTube, whether you were born with the talent, now, before you apply for skilled workers visa, either Australia or Canada, they need what they call certification to show that you actually learned that skill, right? Now, bear in mind, like I said, this video is for everybody, every skilled worker. Now, there is what they call National Directorate of Employment. Now, this is a body that is in charge of employment opportunities in each state of the Federation. Now, they are also in charge to issue a certificate to skilled workers, right? Now, all you need to do is to approach your state own. Each state has their own headquarters. Each state has their own office. So locate the one in your state. Now, you have to go there with an evidence that you have actually learned a skill, whether fashion designing, hairdressing, barbing, messing, carpentry, furniture makers, every skilled area, stylers, right? So when you go to them, you have to present an evidence. Now, this evidence can range from either pictures of you at work, can range from your certificate which you learned from your fashion industry or any other place you learned your skill. It could be video evidences of you at work. It could be they might ask you questions on that field. You will be able to defend yourself. So you need to have a strong evidence that is beyond human doubt. And then you go to the office and tender your evidence and request that they give you a certificate from the Ministry of Employment, right? Now, from the Ministry of Employment. Now, I will put the logo of the ministry here, right? National Directorate of Employment, NDE, National Directorate of Employment. Now, when you go there with that evidence, then they will issue a certificate. Now, this is the globally recognized certification for every skilled worker. So if you don't have it, you might find it difficult to apply for skilled workers visa in any of the countries that might require it. So for everybody, whether you have 20 years of experience in fashion designing, you need this documentation. You need this document to keep. Even if you're not applying for visa today and tomorrow, go and get it now so that tomorrow you might not know when it will be useful for you. So get it now. So this is a serious update for everybody whom will be interested to get this certificate. National Directorate of Employment, they are in charge of doing this. In most people's states, they might have it under labor, right? So try to locate this National Directorate of Employment for everyone in Nigeria, or look for your own country Directorate of Employment and get your documentation given. Don't forget that you must go with evidence. But note that if you have not learned any skill, don't go there and claim that you have a skill, because they will embarrass you. They will get you arrested if you don't have any skill. If you are not skilled in any area, don't go and claim a certificate from other skilled areas, because they will put you to tests. And if you fail the test, it will be a big problem for you. So go with a pure conscience, a pure mind, a pure intention to get a certificate. So don't go there with a dubious means or dubious reasons to get a certificate on barbing. when you are into catering. It will not work. They will put you to test. They know what they are doing. So your social media platforms will be checked. How often do you post that skill area on your platforms? Like I told us in my previous video, that social media is now a means of identification, a means of knowing what people are into. So if you claim you are into any skilled area, you need to be making posts of that job or that area of your skill on your social media platform, because visa embassies will also go for verification on your social media platforms. There's no how you will claim you're a professional in making clothes that you will not be able to post at least one outfit in a week in your social media platform. It's not possible, right? So I have seen most people claim that they are not social media freak. It's not all about being social media freak. Social media has been inculcated in our daily life activities. It is now part of our life. It is now part of our news, getting information and data. So if you don't have a social media platform that you showcase your job, you also need to swear an affidavit, right? So, but then the best thing to do is to post on your social media platforms to enable people easily identify your field area, your work area, your field, so they will know how to patronize you or how to get you engaged in your field. So when you go to NDE, National Directorate of Employment, they will also need to cross-check, verify your social media platform. So if you don't have your jobs on your social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, WhatsApp, you need to start now to post those jobs there so that they will not have any doubt of your truthfulness in your skill area you want to come and acquire a certificate from. So having said this, please go there, and please note that don't give anybody money to go and get it for you. Go and do this by yourself. Don't pay anybody any 1 naira to go and do this for you. Use your hand. Go to Ministry of the National Directorate of Employment and get this documentation done by yourself, because they will need you to be physically present to attest and to answer some questions which they will throw at you, and to make sure that you are the rightful person to be issued that particular certificate or documentation, right? So having said this, I would like to leave you us here and wish us all the best, and make sure that you take this to heart and act on it as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye for now, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and invite your friends to come to this channel to watch more of our content. Bye bye for now.